Greetings everyone, and welcome to my coin collection. Today's coin is a silver €20 coin released by Germany in 2019 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of the founding of what came to be known as the Weimar Republic. For most of the 19th century, Germany was not a unified nation, but a cluster of 25 German-speaking states, city-states, and duchies. However, the efforts of many German nationalists led to unification as a consequence of the peace negotiations after the Franco-Prussian War of 1870-71. The new nation was founded on January 18, 1871, when the South German states, except for Austria, joined the North German Confederation, and on April 16th a new constitution came into force, changing the name of the federal state to the German Empire, and creating the title Kaiser, German Emperor, for Wilhelm I, King of Prussia. Less than 50 years later, not long before the end of World War I, Germany was in turmoil. Soldiers and sailors revolted, beginning what is known as the November Revolution. Kaiser Wilhelm II, the first Wilhelm's son, and all German ruling kings, dukes and princes abdicated, and the German nobility was abolished. A National Assembly was elected in January 1919, and to avoid conflict which was happening in Berlin, it convened in the city of Weimar from February the 6th until August 11th, 1919, giving the future republic its unofficial name. The Weimar Constitution created a republic under a parliamentary system with the Reichstag elected by proportional representation. Although flawed, and eventually largely abolished by the enabling act of Hitler and the Nazis in March 1933, the Weimar Republic contained Germany's first democratic constitution. It adopted the black, red and gold tricolour as the national flag. A number of the features of the constitution went on to influence others in Germany and around the world, hence the production of this coin. In the centre of the obverse of the coin, we see the stylised version of an eagle, the Bundesadler, from Germany's coat of arms, surrounded by the 12 stars of the European Union. Below it says silver 925 because the coin is 92.5% silver, above the denomination €20. Just above the O in euro is the mint mark A, which represents the Berlin Mint, while around the edge of the rim is the country name Bundesrepublik Deutschland, and the year of mintage 2019. In the centre of the reverse side is a section of the flag introduced by the Weimar Constitution which, as the first motif element on a silver coin of the Federal Republic of Germany, is shown in colour. The colourfulness is expressed in the imperial colours, symbolising decisions for the Republic and democracy. Article 1 of the Imperial Constitution, sided in a rosette-like arrangement, sums up the two central results of the Revolution of 1918. The transition from monarchy to republic, and the legitimation of state power through the principle of popular sovereignty. The coin celebrates the 100th anniversary of the entry into force of Germany's first democratic constitution. After the fall of the monarchy, the city of Goethe and Schiller gave the first German parliamentary democracy its name, Weimar Republic. Because of the packaging, we cannot see the rim of the coin, but if we could, we would read the word Nationalversammlung, which translates to National Assembly, Weimar 1919. In Weimar today, there is much to remind you of the Weimar Republic. On Theaterplatz, the building that used to be the Bauhaus Museum is now the Museum of the Weimar Republic. Across the square, behind the statue of Goethe and Schiller, is the Deutsches National Theatre, where the National Assembly was held between February and August in 1919. There is still a large plaque commemorating that event on one side of the building. And on February the 6th, 2019, dignitaries came from all over Germany to remember the centenary of that assembly. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this coin with me. If you have, please like the video and leave a comment down below. You might also consider subscribing to my channel so that you do not miss any of the upcoming coins from my collection.